हाँ जी, बहुत एक्साइटेड है क्योंकि हमने मवाली पे नाचा, मवाली कवाली और खलीफा पे। सो वी आर अ रियली गुड टाइम।
आपकी एंट्री बहुत ही ज़्यादा धमाकेदार रही, ऐसा हमने देखा। बाइक पे आप दोनों ने एंट्री ली, पीछे आप दोनों तो हमसे झगड़ा करते लेकिन एक साथ एक जगह पे बैठ कैसे गए?
क्योंकि यही है ना, हम लोग टॉम एंड जेरी जैसे हैं। तो इट्स लाइक दैट, वी लव टू हेट ईच अदर। जैसे हमारे जजेस है ये शो में, आई थिंक वी वेरी इंस्पायर्ड बाय देम। तो वी लव ईच अदर, वी हेट ईच अदर, ये हमारा रिलेशनशिप है जी।
I think this set has a lot of blue also, so we want to be part of the environment and the feel. So it's that's probably the reason.
Entertainment के लिए कुछ भी करें.
बिल्कुल.
So obviously you are in the field of entertainment.
Right.
Now to each of you the question goes like this: is
हाँ
that
जी.
for entertainment, things that you will not do, that is in the films that you would never do to entertain.
I don't know until that comes. I mean, there are certain things.
For
हाँ.
example, let's say nudity, let's say probably you would want to portray homosexuality on screen. Particular things, I'm sure as a newcomer you
हाँ.
have things that you don't want to cross barriers for.
Right.
So 3 things that you would never do to entertain.
I don't. The thing is, I go with the flow in life, so I never really think about what I'm going to do next. And I haven't really thought about. Depends on the character, the script. If I find something uncomfortable and I think it's still being true to the character without doing it, I'll do it.
What about dancing in weddings?
Dancing, I haven't thought about this yet. I haven't. My first film hasn't released.
Right now, no one's calling us to dance in any wedding.
No one's called us yet. Yaar. Please bulao me. But
I've always maintained that anything that I can do in front of my parents, and or I'm comfortable enough to take my parents to the theater to watch that sort of movie, that's fine. But anything जो मैं अपने पापा के साथ देख नहीं सकती थिएटर में, मैं वो नहीं करने वाली.
Basically no adult content.
Yeah.
You can
no, I believe in the same thing actually. So I probably won't be able to watch even this film with my parents because no, I think I'll tell you why. For the only reason that I'm nervous. I can't sit with my parents and watch any film. I can't have them on my film sets because I find it very nerve-wracking. First film, pressure.
I thought it was the kiss.
Huh?
I thought it was the kiss is something that you were nervous about.
No, I'm a nervous person. So to sit with your parents and watch your film, it gets a bit nerve-wracking.
That's entertainment.
I mean, I haven't thought of anything like that. I haven't thought of any.
एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए कुछ भी करेगा
जी.
शो जिस पर आप आए हैं, ऐसे कुछ अभी तक आपने देखा है टेलीविजन पे इस शो को या फिर इस दौरान कुछ देखना मिला है जिससे आप सच में मेस्मराइज हो?
I think इतने acts है, this is the 5th season if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
And the show's been going on for so long, and I think हर साल हर season में there's something or the other, and जो 1 मिनट के टाइम में लोग करते हैं, I think I don't know how they pack in so much. इतनी मस्ती, इतना madness है वो 1 मिनट में, and the value of 1 minute we've really
We
realized.
crossed it.
No,
हम
but
लोग ने
really,
cross किया क्योंकि our performance was 2.5 minutes.
Yeah.
So we've.
I think there's so many.
We deserve an award, no?
Yeah, but there's so many great acts.
अच्छा आप क्या कर सकते हैं 1 मिनट?
कुछ भी. No, I don't know. I mean, it really depends. It really depends what we have to do. But I think there are a lot of talents. I mean, you can dance for a minute. You can act a scene for a minute. We can fight for a minute.
I
Because that's
think
a
you can
strong
do
expression of
anything in
love.
1 minute. The question is how good or bad it is. And these people do it in 1 minute and they do it amazingly. That's the beauty of it. Not that it's in 1 minute.
130 second fight.
Fight. Film के scene. My name's Dino. मुझे दिनेश पसंद नहीं.
That's right. बहुत घटिया आदमी है.
मैं नाम के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. Stupid fool.
You dumbass.
Don't talk to me like that.
Don't talk to me.
You watch the movie.
Don't talk to me.
Just shut up. You are not
Don't
talking
talk
to me.
to me.
You watch
Why
it.
do you
Okay, no,
why do you
why do you Stop copying me.
Oh, you are copying me.
Just shut up.
Hello, I'm
You
not
shut up.
stylish.
Oh, you're not stylish at all.
Please, just shut up, okay?
You shut
You are a dumbass.
Don't
Don't
touch me.
touch me.
Don't touch me. Hey, you don't scream. Shut up, man.
Okay. Done.
I don't know if that's a talent.
फाइटिंग टैलेंट.
हाँ जी.
जैसा कि हम सभी ने देखा कि आपकी फिल्म को करीना रणबीर कपूर
हाँ जी.
आपकी फिल्म को और आपको प्रमोट करने दिया, लेकिन हमने सुना है कि सैफ अली खान भी आप लोग चाहते हैं कि आपकी फिल्म को प्रमोट करे, बट वो नहीं आया. ऐसा क्यों?
I think ये जो strategy है ना, it's the marketing and the producers who make the strategies of how it should be promoted. लेकिन I think to be honest, if you talk about my family, जैसे कि करीना, करिश्मा, रणबीर, मुझे बचपन से ही support करते आ रहे हैं. जैसे कि when I stage performances in school, उन लोग वहाँ पे भी थे. They were in my football matches when I was playing. तो अब obviously अभी दिख रहा है क्योंकि
That's
obviously
true.
there's media.
I've seen all photographs.
So you all are
and all.
seeing it now. लेकिन बचपन से ऐसे ही था. ये support बचपन से मिल रही है मुझे.
आप चाहते हैं कि वो भी आए, सपोर्ट करें, प्रमोट करें?
नहीं, ये तो एक ऑर्गेनिक प्रोसेस है, जहाँ पे आप पहुँचेंगे आपके फैमिली भी पहुँचेंगे, तो मतलब इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिचुएशन, डिपेंड्स वेयर। सैफ सर मेरे ख्याल से बिजी थे या शूटिंग्स पे थे, बट इफ वाज देयर वुड बी ग्रेट।
मानो निशा, जैसे कि आपकी पहली फिल्म आप काफी एक्साइटेड हो, साथ ही आपकी फिल्म तक बॉबी जासूस भी आ रही थी, कितनी हद तक आपको महसूस हुआ ये?
आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ
No, I don't think I love as an actor. I adore Vidya Balan, and actually I spoke to her. उन्होंने हमारी बातचीत हुई, and she said that she's loved Khalifa and she's loving the trailer. And I will definitely go watch Bobby Jasoos the first chance that I get. And I think that there's space for everyone, and I really wish them all the best. And as an audience, I will definitely go watch the movie.
There's obviously your movies releasing, you have a box office collection in your head somewhere else, you want it to be really successful. So, recently a movie came on Hamshadal, which was
Right.
panned really badly by the critics and on Twitter, it was getting really bad reviews, but it went on to do more than decent business at the box office. How do you react to a scene like that? How important do you think? How does it show, when you look at it like that, how do you think about it? I mean,
एक्चुअली मुझे नंबर्स के बारे में समझ नहीं है, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड नंबर्स, बॉक्स ऑफिस रिजल्ट्स, बट लेकिन हम लोग ने ये फिल्म ना वी डन लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड कन्विक्शन एंड वी एंजॉय डूइंग इट, एंड दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. बियॉन्ड दैट आई जस्ट होप पीपल कैन एक्चुअली एक्सेप्ट इट एंड अंडरस्टैंड एंड कनेक्ट विद द एनर्जी एंड फन वी डन इट विद. सो बियॉन्ड दैट, आई मीन, आई डोंट नो व्हाट डूइंग वेल एंड डूइंग बैड. हाँ, I don't understand too much. It's my first film. I'll probably get used to it. I'll probably understand once I experience it.
do you get affected by the critics at all, or by panning on Twitter and stuff?
I think they work both ways, because there are movies which are very critically acclaimed, but then they don't do well. And at the end of the day, someone has put in a lot of money to make a movie, and they want to recover their money back. It is a business, So I think that, and also, but at some level, you want appreciation for the performance that you have done. So I think they both need to equalize each other. If one sort of overpass the other, that's when you're in troubled waters.
Do you want to add?
I don't see. As I said, until I experience criticism, until I actually go through the process. She's done 7 films, so she's probably seen it in the South. So for me, I haven't really gone through this whole process. I don't have a Twitter account, and
Are you planning to?
I don't know, not really, because I don't know if I need to.
Yeah, even I don't have a
I'll
Twitter
probably get on
account.
late
Is there
in a
a
bit.
Kapoor Khandan thing? Because your brother also does not.
Really, I don't know, because see, the thing is, because we've been promoting, we've been working day in day out, so I don't own a computer, to be honest. So no, I don't.
Do you have a lot of
And
fan following? Do you want to?
and I mean, I don't know, as of now, no. So I don't really understand when it comes to Twitter. I read about it, and I hear about it, but as of now, I don't really have an account, so I'm just not well versed with it, and I'm sorry, I'm just not.